Guys, I am back again with a small tutorial. This tutorial is especially for those people who do not know how to create a null layer in Node Video. So without any delay, let's start the video.
So I open my project. To create a null layer, first I'll add a group layer. You can apply it directly to it, but grouping makes the timeline look cleaner. So I'll add a group layer. After adding, long press your video and drag and drop it inside the group. Now simply double-click on the group node or double-type it. If you do this, then this panel will open. This is our group node. This time you will see the plus icon, click on it, and from there you add on the adjustment layer. After adding it, adjust its length as per your requirement. Before the length is adjusted, click on the adjustment layer. You'll see it below the transform option. Simply delete it. You can also keep it if you want, but whenever I create a null object, I usually delete this adjustment layer first. After that, rename it to null, just like I do. Once you've renamed it, duplicate the null object. Now tap on your video, go to transform, and then tap on the more option. There you'll find the link option. Since we duplicated the null object, both of them have the same name, so it can be confusing to know which one to link. To make it easier, I'll simply rename the top null object to null C. C stands for copy. After that, I'll link the video to null. After linking the video to null C, tap on the original null layer. Go to transform, then tap on more. You'll see the link option there. From there, link the original null to null C.
So, that's the end of the video. I hope you learned how to create and use a null object in Node Video. The purpose of making this tutorial was to help those who are planning to switch to Node Video, so the process feels easier and they don't get confused.